Welcome back to Plantopedia. Subscribe to join our growing community. Bathrooms are notoriously tricky environments for plants due to low light, poor ventilation, and intense heavy steam that can cause normal foliage to rot. However, certain tropical species are biologically built to absorb ambient moisture to fuel their growth. Here are 5 beautiful houseplants perfect for bathrooms. First is the Boston fern. In a standard living room, this plant is infamous for drying out, turning brown, and shedding its delicate fronds all over your floor because the air is simply too dry. The naturally humid environment of a bathroom completely solves this issue. The heavy steam from your daily shower mimics a native cloud forest, keeping the fern's fine foliage lush, vibrant, and deep green. To keep it thriving, hang it near a window or place it on a high ledge where it can capture rising steam. While it loves moisture, its soil must never become a soggy swamp, a drainage trick we will look at in a moment. Next up is a highly patterned leaf that usually struggles indoors. That patterned option is the Calathea medallion. Known for its large, round leaves with deep purple undersides, this plant is a designer favorite that usually develops frustrating, crispy brown borders due to dry household air. Placing it in a bathroom provides the consistent high humidity its thin leaves require to stay soft and unblemished, allowing you to showcase its striking geometry without the stress. It prefers medium indirect light, so it's perfect for a bathroom counter. Just be mindful of the water you use. We will address water quality shortly, but first, let's look at a unique specimen that doesn't even require soil. Plantopedia has launched a new home for your indoor garden. Visit our site to explore our curated toolkit for daily maintenance, alongside our growing library of downloadable care guides. We add new professional-grade PDFs to the shop every single week to help you manage your collection. See the full collection at the link in the description or in the pinned comment of this video. Let's keep your plants settled. Our soil-free solution is the air plant. These fascinating epiphytes, meaning plants that grow on other structures instead of in the ground, absorb all their water and nutrients directly through tiny specialized scales on their leaves called trichomes. A bright bathroom window is the ultimate home for them, as they will literally drink in the leftover steam from the air, making them incredibly low maintenance. Because they don't use soil, they are exceptionally clean and fit perfectly on minimalist glass shelving or stone vanities. However, they still need air circulation to prevent moisture from trapping in their core, a structural requirement that also applies to our next bold statement piece. For a sharp architectural look, the African mask plant is unmatched. Its glossy, near-black leaves feature prominent, bright white veins that create a dramatic, high-contrast silhouette. Alocasias are highly prone to spider mites when kept in dry rooms, but the dense humidity of a bathroom naturally deters these pests while keeping the large leaves turgid and upright. It thrives in bright filtered light and acts as a gorgeous focal point against a clean tiled wall. Up next is a flowering cassock that turns bathroom steam into stunning visual elegance. Finally, we have the moth orchid. Many people struggle to keep orchids alive because their exposed aerial roots dry out and shrivel in typical indoor humidity. In a bathroom, those exposed roots thrive by pulling moisture straight out of the misty air, which sustains the plant and encourages longer-lasting, elegant floral blooms. Position it on a windowsill or a vanity where it receives bright, indirect light and enjoy a touch of spa-like luxury that functions as a natural ecosystem. At At Plantopedia, we appreciate these moisture-loving species for their bold presence and their ability to thrive in unique microclimates. If this guide helped you understand your space better, consider joining the Plantopedia community by subscribing. We release new master guides every week to help you grow with confidence. By utilizing a well-draining porous potting mix for your calatheas and ensuring your air plants shake off excess water after a heavy steam session, you're not just filling a room, you're building a thriving, living masterpiece. Give your collection the care it deserves. This video is part of Plantopedia's growing plant library on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.